how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. So if you want to see someone's recent followers on Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application and go with your profile. From your profile, if you go with the followers or the following section, which will be in the top, then you will have your followers, your following, your subscriptions, and flagged option, right? If you go with your followers section, it will be displayed from newest to oldest. The newest will be on the top and the oldest will be on the bottom. Or you can also just simply go back and you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or I'll just simply go with Google. And here you need to search for Instagram. Go with www.instagram.com, or if it takes you to the application, then you just need to simply scroll down, or go with the three dots which will be on the right side. Tap and hold on to that link, and you will have an option of open in a new tab, or you can just simply go back and then tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info section. From here, you need to scroll down, tap on open by default option. Now here you need to go and turn off the option of open supported links. Go back and then go with your Google or your browser. Now tap on the www.instagram.com section, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with Instagram, go with login, log into your account on your browser. After logging in, you can go with your followers or your following tab, and you will have all of your followers or following in a order which is from newest to oldest. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.